Find out what program is using a hotkey. I can't register a hotkey with a program because other programs are using it, in this case print screen and Control plus print screen, and every other combination of Shift, Alt, Control, plus print screen. How can I tell what hotkeys are in use and what programs are using them? I've seen similar questions. How can I determine which process owns a hotkey in Windows? What other tool is using my hotkey? How to find out what program took over control over print screen key. Delete global hotkey. And they suggest using a program called Hotkey Explorer, but that program doesn't run correctly on my system, Windows 10 and x64. In fact, here is a warning, do not run this program on Windows 10. What a nightmare. Also, I don't have Dropbox installed. Other questions said it might use the print screen buttons.
Sorry, I can't suggest an alternative to Hotkey Explorer for Windows 8 or 10. It's a godsend on Windows 7. I can only offer you the most primitive way of handling this problem. First, close all your running programs, including stuff in the system tray, one by one. Make notice of what you close, and every time, or every once in a while, test if your program, is it greenshot? Can now use that hotkey. If everything is closed but the problem persists, open the Processes tab in the Task Manager, or better yet, download the sysinternals Process Explorer. Sort processes by user and start killing user, not system, processes one by one. Again, keep checking if the hotkey becomes available. Sooner or later you should find the offending process. In my case, CSR Harmonize VPA plugin.exe, part of CSR Harmony drivers for a CSR Bluetooth 4.0 USB dongle, was grabbing Ctrl plus Alt plus up and down and a few others, with no UI to configure that or turn off. This kind of problem is extremely annoying. Happy hunting!
You can use the tool SPY++ that comes with Visual Studio, this URL. It will allow you to see what window and process are receiving the WM_hotkey window message. If the 32-bit version doesn't work, try the 64-bit version instead.
A small extension to Gene Pawlowski's answer. In sysinternals Process Explorer you can activate View Scroll to new processes. Sometimes, the assigned application will be highlighted as soon as you press the hotkey Smile.
I had the problem that with a Polish keyboard layout the key Ctrl plus Alt plus A, or Alt plus A, was not working. It should produce the Polish letter A. I found this site, this URL, which has a database for hotkeys. I found that my password manager, KeyPass, had grabbed that key combination. Disabling the never used combination solved the issue.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.